Okay, today we're looking at a 2014 Ford C-MAX Hybrid SE. It's got 54,000 miles on it. Summit white in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's a local trade. All right, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. All right, got the nice big hybrid badge here on the side. Turn signals in the side mirrors. All right, driver's side of the C-MAX is in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks good there. Down the passenger side. All right, exterior of this Ford's in great shape. All right, it's a 14, 54,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. All right, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the beige and black door panels, power windows, power mirrors, got your power locks there. All right, it's got the gray and beige cloth seats. All right, driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. All right, passenger seat looks good. No issues at all there. Okay, got your power outlet here. It is an automatic. Got your dual climate controls. Okay, AM, FM, CD player. Then you're going to have your radio display up here. It is powered by Microsoft. It's got the Microsoft Sync system. All right, leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And then you got your cruise control over here on this side. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 54,239 miles on it. We've got it started. Go ahead and show you the radio display. We'll pan back out again. Got your AM, FM, CD player right there. Okay, you got your dual climate controls. All right, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels up back here look good. All right, carpet's nice and clean, no staining. Nice power outlet right here. Let's get that open for you. Well, all right. Back seat cloth looks good. No problems at all. Interior of this C-MAX is in great shape. The center armrest comes down, got the cup holders in there. I'm going to give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the trunk, or the hatch. All right, carpet back here looks good. Nice convenient power outlet here. Got the cargo net on each side. Got some storage under here as well. All right. See just a small nick in the paint right here on this back bumper. Missed that going around the walk around of the vehicle, but just want to point that out to you. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right, alloys are in great shape. Tires look good, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 14 Ford C-MAX Hybrid SE. Okay, 54,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. It's well taken care of. It's a local trade, clean Carfax, just one owner. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.